Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Adriana's here. It's been a long time since I posted anything here, but I'm coming back, hopefully for longer this time. I know I say it every single time, but here I am again. Guys, maybe I'll give you a small update what's been going on in my life. I'm planning a bit of changes, and for those who follows me on Instagram, probably you know not everything, but most of the things that is happening right now in my life. Here is my Instagram, by the way. I post every single day, so we can be up to date. If you want to check it out, go and follow, please. I would really appreciate it. But for those who doesn't know, guys, I'm still a flight attendant. I still live in Dubai. I'm planning some changes in my life soon, so please follow if you want to know what is it gonna be. I'm heading right now to meet Anya. We're gonna go to Sharjah and we're gonna meet our supplier. I know, supplier, that sounds like a huge thing, but yeah, there is something that we work on. We just started the whole process, so I don't want to tell you a lot about it, but there is something going on, and as soon as I'm able to share it with you guys, I will do it. But yeah, this is the plan for today. I'm not sure how much will I be able to show you guys, but yeah, I can give you the sneak peek. Last week we went there to handle the project to the supplier, and this week we're gonna actually see the first samples, so we're super excited about it. Hopefully they're gonna turn out as good as we wanted them to be, but we'll see. There's a lot of work to do still. Afterwards we're planning to work on the strategy, so basically this is how my days look like lately, except flying, obviously. I'm on reserve right now, so yeah, I have a lot of days off. I never know where am I gonna go the next day, so yeah, I'm just trying to get the best out of it. But yeah, please join my vlog. Thank you for coming back. Enjoy. So as you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere. We're in Sharjah. Anya, she just went there to pay for the parking. Here is the place where we go to. She cannot drive. Anya was excited about the plane landing. Yeah, we're coming back with the car that has something wrong with the tire. Yeah. But anyway, she's not speeding, she's driving safely, so hopefully we'll get home. So it's a bit later. I didn't show you anything from our planning session with Anya because I still feel like we're at the stage where we should not share the details yet with anybody. We did a pretty good job today. We have the name, we have the logo, and we have first samples ready. So yeah, stay tuned guys. For sure I'll be updating you here and on my Instagram, so don't miss it out. But yeah, for now, probably for the next few weeks, I wouldn't be sharing any more details about what's going on in my life. I mean, about this business, about this new project we're working on right now. So for now, I just wanted to give you the update. I'm going out right now with my friend. It's evening time already, so yeah, this is my outfit: cargo pants, top, jacket, because it's pretty cold nowadays during evening time, so that's why I took it. Probably we're gonna go for a walk, then we'll see. But anyway, I don't think I will show you anything from today's evening because I don't think my friend would like to be in a video, so I don't want to force anybody. That's why probably I will see you tomorrow, guys. Hi guys, good morning on Wednesday. Yeah, we have Wednesday already. I met my friend Mateusz and we're talking about our trips. He just finished his trip to Australia. He did an amazing one. And yeah, it was really lovely to hear about all of the places he visited. But we also talked about the upcoming trip for me to Seychelles. I'm bringing my parents for around like 7 days maybe. He's been there already, so he was telling me a few tips where to go, what to do. So guys, also if you have any recommendation, if you have in your mind any places that I should visit, please comment down below. I'd really appreciate it because I've been there only once or twice maybe for 16 hours layover. So any recommendation you would have, I would really appreciate it. We're in a car right now, my car. If you didn't know about it, I bought a car around a month ago, finally, after 4 years being in Dubai. Today we need to fix few more stuff, and because I'm going to Cape Town tonight, I can actually give him the car for a few days because I won't need it. So that's what we're gonna do today. And talking about Cape Town, I'm hoping that actually I'm gonna show you something more rather than, you know, me talking to the camera in a car and basically not showing you anything because I can. Timing is not the best, but I will try to force myself to go and see something. Actually, we'll see, because it's my first time in Cape Town, so I'm super excited. As you can see, we're at the gas station right now. I had to buy the Salik sticker. So this is the sticker that you put somewhere here. Yeah, whenever you go for that like really fast roads, like for example Sheikh Zayed, then it will charge you, like it will have this you see this kind of bridge, whatever, and yeah, it will charge you anytime you will pass through it. One time you pass is 4 dirhams, so yeah, you just have the app on your phone and then basically you charge for it. So that's what I had to do, because basically I was driving for a month without having it, so probably I'll be charged soon. For those who don't know, I do study nutrition. I already passed first semester, but I need to prepare for the second one. So I believe this is what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day before I start preparing for my flight. And guys, let me know if you wanna see apartment tour, whatever, because I'm planning some changes soon, so I might not be here for too long. So maybe, yeah, comment down below if you would like to see some more. I just realized that you might not know what's been going on in my life lately, and I don't blame you. I haven't posted here for a really long time. For those who follows me on Instagram, maybe you're up to date, but for those who are here only, yeah, you don't know anything. I started my uni, I bought a car, I'm staying in Dubai, planning some changes, including my job or career path. So yeah, there is a lot of things I would like to tell you, but I'm not sure if I can talk about everything. But anyway, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll try to answer them, or I'll just make a simple Q&A on my Instagram, which is, by the way, here. Go and follow. And yeah, maybe I'll make a separate video about it. Just give me an idea. Would you like to have a separate video with the Q&A? And a little bit of an update of my life, or do you want me to include it in my weekly vlogs? Hey guys, I need to cover my face because it's super red. I did 12k within 1 hour 16 minutes, and as you can hear, there's water running already, so I need to take a shower. There's also a mess behind me, and there's also a suitcase which I need to pack. My suitcase for last month was having ups and downs, okay? I was carrying here winter and summer clothes. Why? Because I'm on reserve. I only have few last days of reserve, and they decided that they're gonna send me to Cape Town, so probably all of winter clothes gonna be out, and I'm gonna pack only summer clothes. As you can see, I'm ready. I didn't show you how I prepare my meals or anything, because basically I ran out of time and I'm rushing right now to catch the bus, waiting for the elevators. I think it's coming, so I'll see you guys later. We're in the headquarters right now. I managed to catch the bus and be on time with my e-gate, so now it's time to put the red lipstick on and show up in the briefing room and basically start my duty. I'm not gonna show you what's going on board because I'm not allowed, but probably you will see me guys after landing.
So I just got this number for today.
Okay, hey guys, we just arrived to the hotel and I just wanted to quickly update you what happened during the flight and what plans we have for Cape Town. This is the first time for me in here, and that's kind of surprising because I've been working for this company for the last 4 years and they never send me here. I've been to job work, I've been to Durban, but just like a first stopover, but never to Cape Town, and I heard about like a lot of good stuff about this destination, so I was super excited to do Table Mountain, but the plan had to change because I met the crew in a briefing room and they said they already have a plan, so I just kindly asked them if I can join them. They said yep, it's fine, so we're gonna all see each other downstairs within an hour, and then the guy's gonna pick us up and drive us around the city. Not sure what we're gonna do, what's the plan, but I'm super excited to see a new destination, and the crew seemed really nice, so yeah, it's gonna be fun, I hope. Okay, don't judge me guys, I just bought a brand new outfit because I was feeling in mine like a homeless person. Oh my god. So this sweater I actually wanted for a long time. The pants is okay-ish, and yeah, I put my back like that because they said that they might rob you. And we don't want to lose this, especially when we have our camera inside. So, okay, so this is the outfit of the day. First stop was the mall, shopping mall. I'm actually okay-ish with that because I didn't have clothes for this layover. So yeah, ended up buying new outfit and we're gonna move on right now and see the penguins. Yay! Yeah, because all the stuff are inside. Yes, your fancy handbag. Trying to take the pictures there. And the girls went to buy the wine. It took us like 1.5 hours to get here, and it's not even the final spot to see the penguins. So she's ready for the party. She's drinking amarula in the middle of the street. So excited for the penguins. That's the Boulders Visitor Center for the penguins. Ask like how the penguins can actually live in this temperature and therefore actually adjust to any of the temperature. These are a little bit, as you can see, oh my god, these are so cute. These are a little bit different one than they have in Antarctica. These are like tiny, like a mini version. But look how close they are. Oh my goodness. How cute. Oh my. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty windy. We're leaving the penguins right now and we're heading to the viewpoint to see the sunset.
Yeah, the penguin is around there.
That's the place where you can swim.
Yeah.
We only got
That's
here.
the place.
Only here. But we could actually go all the way down.
Yeah.
But we just
Is that side?
we didn't have time because basically what's the time? Yeah,
But we
6:30.
saw many more.
They finished
Yeah,
at
there's not
6:30,
many
so
on the other side.
this is the entry times. And guys, we paid around like 35 dirhams or so. Sunset. Explain. Explain.
One more, hold up. All right, got that.
Very good. Hiding from the wind. It doesn't help. My goodness. Risking my life. We're at the hotel already. I took a shower, ordered some food. I have pumpkin soup and salad. I really wanted to get some soup because I want to warm myself up before going to sleep because it was pretty windy today. So yeah, we don't want to get sick. Afterwards, I'll straight go to sleep because I'm super tired. This day was really exhausting but fun. I woke up early in the morning. I mean, 8 a.m. It's not early in the morning, but the thing is that I didn't get enough sleep, okay? I don't want to do groceries. I didn't do it yesterday because I don't want veggies and fruits to get bad in a car while we were, you know, driving around the city. I'm doing it today before my wake-up call. So basically all the stores, they open at 9 a.m. and they close at 9 p.m. I will only have 1 hour to do groceries and to come back here. But yeah, guys, it's really important. I'm going alone, so no brands, no, you know, nothing, no jewelry, anything. You don't want to show off. Yeah, you just want to fit in. Avocados, that's my must. Okay, this is the waterfront area. I'm waiting for my driver to come. We have a shuttle from the hotel. These are my groceries. I still have some time, so no stress that I'm not gonna come back in a wake-up call unless there's gonna be some roads closed, because my driver said that yeah, there is kind of a run somewhere. Oh my god, I almost got into the other one, to the sound, yeah, the Collins or something, you know? Yeah, I'll sit here.
But you opened the door, huh?
I didn't.
Yeah.
I did. Is it closed?
No, it's not closed.
Oh my.
Where are you from?
I'm from Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what I call success. Okay guys, we made it. I'm here on time before the wake-up call, so now we have 9:47. Wake-up call is 10:15, so this is what we bought. Kombucha number 1, blueberry basil. Basil? What? I didn't see that. The other one is raspberry and hibiscus. We have some melon right here. Oh my god, beautiful one. We have some lactose-free yogurt. We have some avocados, mangoes, pears. And then as a gift, I bought the Amarula chocolates because we cannot actually bring back to buy the alcohol because we'll have to pay the fee. So at least I brought this as a gift. That's it for the groceries. This is my breakfast. This is my salad from yesterday. Don't get me wrong, I kept it in the fridge for the whole night. But yeah, I already started eating because I'm rushing late. As you can see, we're ready. I did my bun a little bit too high, so my hat goes straight in my eyes, but we'll work it out. I packed my stuff already. It was pretty hard to close the suitcases, but I managed. It's the pickup time now. We need to go downstairs and meet the crew, go straight to the airport, and probably I will talk to you once I'm in Dubai. Hi guys, it's Saturday already and I realized I didn't finish this video. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, leave the comment below and subscribe my channel. Also, please follow my Instagram, which you will find right here. It's Saturday already, as I said. I'm going out with a friend right now. This is how I look. Yeah, simple dinner outfit. And yeah, I didn't record anything from today because it was my kind of day off and I didn't record anything. Yeah, I just want to spend my day with myself. Anyway guys, thank you so much one more time for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.